Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. If you're watching this, please hit the subscribe button. We would really appreciate it. It would help us out a lot. Stay tuned. We got a lot more for you in this episode. Thanks for watching. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Sunday. It's March 9th. It's about 10:33 in the morning. For those of you that don't know, the time changed last night, so make sure you get that right. So, it's going to be another busy day here. So, I just went ahead and pulled Ron's car back. Getting ready to pull the thing out. The old thing here, we're going to have to do a little work to her. I don't keep having, but I've had some just weird things. I'm going to have to pull that steering wheel off. I think the bushing for the column came loose because now I can do this with the steering wheel. So I got to take care of that at some point. Not today, but definitely going to have to do that here soon. And I have no taillights and I have no running lights. Probably blew a fuse, honestly. But got some things. I need to wash this thing. You know, my wife asked me today, she goes, "Yeah, I really like the thing. Maybe we should keep it." And I thought, that's a great idea. and I'll be honest with you. I love this car. I do. I love the 73 Volkswagen thing. I think it's awesome. I have went out of my way to not get attached to it. Knowing I was probably going to sell it, right? And now the thought of keeping it makes me want to fix these little things. And fix a couple of the things I know I probably should fix, like hook up the horn and things of that nature, and spend a little time on it and dial it in, right? And probably get out and drive this thing, like really drive it, like take it out a couple times a week and put 10, 20 miles on it, just actually get out in it other than just the neighborhood. So you might see some more driving point of view, POVs, on the thing here soon, because I think that's something's going to happen. So let's get into today, boys. Let's get into today. I got to pull this out. Not a big deal. I got to wash this today. It's going to rain a lot tomorrow. Maybe this afternoon, but definitely tomorrow. It's got like a 90% chance of rain. So I don't know. We'll see. Might wait one more day on a wash. But we're going to be working on this fender today. And the goal for today is to try to get this hole, this hole, this hole, and this hole welded up, to take care of these little spots here, to fix this to where this fender fits flush, and to get this patch panel on. That's my goal. Will I hit it? I don't know. But that's my goal. That's where I'm going today. So I think I've got enough time to do that. Welding up the 4 holes is not a big deal. And honestly, the patch panel is not that big a deal. It's just a matter of getting everything to fit right. But before I do that patch, I have to get this done and bolted up here and fitting correctly so that I know that we fit correctly body line wise down here on the fender. And I'll probably have to secure my inner fender a little better. I got a bolt down here I got to put in. And then there's one on the back here, which we'll have to figure out. That's supposed to have like a bracket that comes off the floor there, which we did have, but we were cool and didn't realize it. And when we cut the floor out, it was attached to it, and we threw that floor away. So we'll just make some. It's not the end of the world. We just got to make something we can run a bolt through. So that might happen today too. So yeah, that's where we're at, boys. Which is a really cool place to be, honestly. I my goal is to get this fender done, as soon as humanly possible. It's going to be a very busy week. I've got doctor's appointments. I've got a colonoscopy on Thursday. We've got, I got to help my brother-in-law move Tuesday. Saturday, I sold the Volkswagen Super Beetle frame to a guy in Orlando. We're delivering it to him on Saturday at noon. So that's huge for us. And so we got to do that. So finding time to work on this is going to be a little tough, but it's doable. So that's where we're at. It's going to be work on this as much as we can in between all of the other things, right? So should be a lot of progress, but it'd be great if I didn't have anything going on this week. I could just do it. But that's where we're at there. Big Ron's working on his camper. He, at the moment, he's washing it over here. So he's washing his camper. Then we got to let it dry. And then we're going to basically paint on this coating on the roof at some point. Probably Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't think it'll be today, but it might be. Definitely won't be tomorrow. It's going to rain. So, all right. So first things first, I got to get the thing out of the garage. And then I got to put some gloves on. And then we're going to go to the side yard. And I've got to unload the trailers of all the Apache parts. Okay. So I'll bring you along for that. And we'll start bringing some stuff out here. The bedside, the one we're going to use over here, we'll bring that out. Start getting things in places we can actually get to them because they're going to be going on this in a hurry. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, Mr. Thing. Let's get you out. Still battling the leaves. They're still, the remnants are everywhere. Alright. Let's get this thing out of here. I might have figured out my lights. Got a blown fuse. I try not to wonder these things. It's very dangerous. Hey guys, we might have figured something out here. The running light's not working and tail lights had a blown fuse. Who'd have thunk it? I'm gonna swap that out. Okay, so the fuse fixed the marker lights. You can see them on. Headlights are on, marker lights are on. That's good. Hazards work, I believe. Let's try that again. Hazards work here. Hazards work here. Definitely. Can't tell if the taillight's working. Okay. Okay. Okay, boys. Welcome to my next project. I've got the two wheels off the front of the Apache. Got the bed sides off the Apache. Ron's cap that's got to get off of here. I got the rear bumper. I got a bunch of other shit. But I got to get this all off of this trailer to get to where it's just that frame on this trailer. So that's going to be fun. And then I have to move this trailer out, okay? Because I need this trailer before I need this trailer. Jesus. So, then I have to clear this trailer, and, which, nothing in the world, just got to do it. And, find a home for all of this. And, yeah. Should be fun. So that's what we're doing. I got to move all the stuff. Here's our other front fender. It's in better shape. It was starting to have a problem here, like the other one, but it wasn't there yet. And oh wow, that's bad. I'm about to buy that. Great. We're gonna need this, or make it one or the other. Okay, well, whatever. It is what it is. So, here's our other fender. Here's our back tailgate piece, or not tailgate, but the back of the bed panel. I don't know. I mean, it's so cheap, I feel like I just need to replace it. These are the bed strips that hold the wood in. There's the grill and all its pieces. Gas tank. So, stay tuned, guys. I'm going to set you up. You guys can watch me do all this craziness and get all this out of here and start figuring out what I got and what I don't got and go from there. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, welcome back. So, we managed to get everything moved around and figured out. So now it's truck time. So it's Apache time. So what we're going to do is probably pull this fender off, make some marks and pull this fender off. And start welding this thing up. I think I'm going to start here, get these welded up, get a washer, get that in there, get that welded up. That way we're past that. Go ahead and grind them down. Done. Then we need to start here. This has to get done and dialed in because it's way off. I mean, look at that. It's terrible. So we need to get this fixed and then move on from there to this lower patch. So stay tuned for all that. We will, I will probably continue to put this fender back on the car each night just because it's just easier. Somewhere to put it. But stay tuned for all this, guys, and we'll be right back. Hey, guys, welcome back. All right, so I found some washers that fit good in here. Now, these holes here, this is the front fender, okay? Now these are the holes where the spear was, the emblem on the side of the fender. So I got them held in with a magnet on the back side. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and weld those in, get that done. And then I picked up some more over here. That's all it is. And then I hold them in on the back side with one of these magnets here. Set that on there and just put it right on there and boom. So Works really good. I picked up some stainless steel hardware. Let's see if this will zoom in here. Focus. Probably not. Why would it? So I picked up some stainless steel bolts for the inner fenders where they mount onto the core support here. Just trying to get some stuff. Got the lower panel just kind of sitting on here, patch panel. Ron's wrapping up on his camper, and then we're going to start figuring this out. So stay tuned. I'm going to set you up so you can watch me weld this, and we'll get this part done. It's all about making progress, boys, one way or another. Okay guys, so we got these welded up. Still got to grind them down. Got that one welded up. Give you a better view here. So just got to get these ground down next, and then we're going to start on this right here. See where we get, but at least that's done. This is actually one of the first and one of the few body mods that I'm going to do to this truck, was eliminating these emblems and welding up the antenna hole here. I think it's gonna look pretty slick. So stay tuned, guys. We got more coming to you. It's kind of a weird day. We're kind of jumping all over the place. I apologize for that, but there's a lot going on this week that I'm trying to get things done on this fender when I can. So I'm gonna try to bring that to you. So stay tuned. Alright guys, bring you in here. What we've got so far, just on the first initial hit here, looking pretty good. I think while I've got the grinder out, I'm going to go ahead and hit some of this. I'll set you up for that. Try to knock down some of this while I'm here. Might as well, right? So, put this out of the way. Let's get crazy. Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, so last thing you saw was me grinding on the firewall. That's pretty much where we got. I had to step away. I had a little emergency call I had to deal with. But wanted to wrap this video up. Didn't want to just end it with grinding. Let me show you what we got here. We got the light on. So basically, firewall is completely ground down now. So we're looking pretty good there. I still got some work to do on the end over here and the end here. That call came in and I had to just stop and go deal with what I had to deal with. But this is the fender. Can't really even tell we did anything. Got that welded up. The antenna hole welded up. So now we've deleted the emblem off the side of the fender and the antenna hole off of the fender on the passenger side. So tomorrow, God willing, we'll get into this and get this done, and hopefully, and this might take all day, honestly. I don't know what's going to happen there, but we'll get into that, and hopefully we'll start getting into this patch panel here. We'll just work our way to the front. But that's what we got, guys. So fender got a little bit welded up. I did get some stainless steel hardware to bolt the inner fender to this. Core support. Yeah. We fixed the lights on the thing. We had a blown fuse. Not sure why, but it's holding good now, so we'll see where we get. Got a lot done. Got a lot done. Did a lot of moving cars around, moving trailers around, emptying trailers, getting ready for all the craziness this week. You know, just a whole lot going on, but stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll be back on that fender and see where we get. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching Brown's Riding Custom. Please like and subscribe.